Welcome to Nonsense Syllables Set 6. On the screen, you can see nonsense syllables. These are not words. They are just meaningless syllables for practice. Today, Set 6, we are practicing the F and V sounds with the long and short vowels. If you want to try reading the syllables on your own first, you can pause and restart the video. Okay, let's go. Repeat after me. 1. Fe, fee, fi, fo, foo, few. 2. Ve, vi, vi, vo, vu, view. 3. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. 4. Va, ve, vi, va, va. Here are the same syllables in a different order. Let's go. 1. Fe, fa, ve, va. 2. Fi, fe, vi, ve. 3. Fi, fi, vi, vi. 4. Fo, fa, vo, va. 5. Fu, fa, vu, va. 6. Few, view. This brings us to the end of today's set. Our next set of nonsense syllables will be the consonants SH and ZH. If you are looking for a full lesson, click the link in the description. Full lessons are longer. We move from nonsense syllables to words, and from words to phrases. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, ring the bell, and tell all your friends about Quick Catch Learning. Be good, be safe, and I will see you next time.